In recent months, I've been focused on learning Active Directory, as you may have seen in my latest videos. However, this time is different. I've discovered a fantastic website called DOCKERLABS, which offers labs created in Docker. This platform, founded by El Pingüino de Mario and Tejaqueo, harness the versatility of Docker to create vulnerable labs, automating their deployment and removal while consuming minimal resources. You'll notice that each lab weighs very little, optimizing efficiency. In this video, I'll demonstrate how Docker Lab functions and guide you through solving one of the labs. My goal is to tackle all the labs available on the website and document the process for you. First, we need to select the lab we want to work on. These labs are hosted on Mega, so you'll need to download the corresponding .zip file for each lab. For this demonstration, I'll begin with the Trust lab. As you can see, the download is quick due to the lab's small size. Once we have downloaded the .zip file, we'll extract it and find two files, an auto-deployment script and the Trust Lab archive. The first step is to execute the script, passing the .tar file as a parameter. The script will take care of everything for us. When the lab is deployed, it will display the IP address of the lab we're going to hack. That's all there is to it. Now we can proceed with the various phases of penetration testing to hack the lab. But before, if you are interested in creating your own Docker lab, you can watch El Pingüino de Mario's video where he explains the process step by step. The link is provided in the video description and comment section. Without further ado, let's get started with this lab. As always, we begin by scanning ports using Nmap with the following flags. P to scan all ports, Open to display only open ports and ignore those that are closed or filters. Min rate 5000 to send a minimum of 5000 packets per second to the target. N to disable reverse DNS lookup. PN to assume the host is alive. SS to perform a scene scan, a stealth technique that does not complete TCP connection. V for increased verbosity. There are only two open ports, port 80 and port 22, suggesting that initial access may be through the website. Let's examine it. The website displays only the default Apache 2 landing page, revealing nothing significant. Therefore, we will force the website to search for hidden directories. For this task, I use the tool FOV. FOV successfully uncovered a hidden file, secret.php, on the website. This file displayed the message "This web is not hackable," along with a possible username. Assuming the username is valid, we decided to brute force the SSH service using Hydra. Hydra quickly identified valid credentials, allowing us to log in via SSH. Once logged in, I always run the sudo l command to check if the user has any special privilege. In this case, the user Mario had permissions to run the Vim binary as root. I referred to GTFobbins, especially the CLI tool, to explore potential abuses of this privilege. If the binary is allowed to run as superuser by sudo, it does not drop the elevated privilege and may be used to access the file system, escalate or maintain privilege access. Following the GTFobin's recommendation, I execute the command above and successfully obtain a root shell. This marks the completion of the lab. This was an easy lab, where we had to perform fusing on the website to find a hidden path that led us to a username, which we then used to brute force the SSH service using Hydra. After we complete the lab, we return to the Docker script. Pressing Ctrl+C automatically deletes the Docker instance. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, like and leave a comment.